Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to use digital elevation model to create a topographic profile. Okay. To do that, I will first of all add my digital elevation modeling and make sure that my 3D analyst tools is checked, and also checking my drawing tools. Okay. After doing that, I will right click on my digital elevation modeling and go to properties. To change the color so that the elevation will be highlighted in the DEM. Okay. Here is my study area boundary. I want to plot my topographic profile within my study area boundary. Okay. So to plot my topographic profile, I will go to interpolate line. I will right click on it. Then I will draw a line. In my digital elevation model in order to create the topographic cross section. Okay. Then I will draw the line. You can choose to change the color of the line so that it will be very visible in the DEM. Okay. And see, I've changed my color to red. After doing that, I will highlight the line and go to profile graph. Then I will click on it. This graph will pop up. You can see where we have the high and the low elevation. So to plot another one, I will go back to my interpolate line. I will right click on it, then come back to my digital elevation model, and I will plot a line again. Then I can also choose to change the color of the line. Okay, I will right click on it, then change the color. After doing okay, you can see where we have the higher and the lower elevation. Okay, from 20 to 50. Okay. So after doing that, I will right click on the profile and then go to properties to do some settings. Then I will go to appearance, then come down to my left axis. I will label it to be elevation, that is in meters. In the bottom to be the distance. Okay. After doing that, I will click on apply and OK. And see where we have the elevation in meters, the downside of the profile, that is where I have my distance. Okay, I will right click on it again and go to properties to add my cross section title. Okay, we come down to title and write cross section. Profile. Okay. After doing that, I click on apply and OK. Okay. I will still go back to the cross section profile to add, indicate that this is profile A, while this other one is profile B. Okay. Okay, looking at the DEM, you can see that the lowest value may be water body. Okay, so I will go back to add data to bring in watershed file to confirm whether this other area with low digital elevation model with low value, whether it is water body. So I will bring in watershed file. So I will change the color. Okay, you can see that the downside of the DEM with low digital elevation value is filled up with water. Okay, so you can choose to save your cross section. Okay, I want to save it in JPEG as JPEG. I want to save it as JPEG. Okay, please, if you are watching this video up to this very moment, do well to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so I want to save my profile in desktop. I will give it a name, and after doing that, I will click on cross section. I will click on save. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.